In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rows thinner in Canva. If you're organizing information in a table and want to tighten up the layout, slimming down the rows is a quick way to make your design cleaner and more readable. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it and share a few simple pointers so you get precise, consistent results. Start by opening your project, then head to the page that contains your table. Click the table so you're working directly with it. You'll know it's active when you can see the outline and the selection box around the table. Now, move your cursor to the horizontal edge of the row you want to adjust. You can use either the upper edge or the lower edge of that row. As you hover right over that boundary line, watch for your cursor to change. It should switch from the regular pointer to a resize icon, indicating that Canva is ready to adjust the row height. If the cursor doesn't change, nudge your mouse a little closer to the line or take a moment to zoom in so it's easier to land exactly on the edge. Once the resize icon appears, click and hold. Then drag inward toward the center of the row. As you drag, you'll see the row height shrink. Go slowly so you can stop at the exact thickness you want. Release the mouse to set the new height. If you make it too thin and your text looks cramped, simply drag again to give it a little more space until everything feels balanced and legible. A couple of quick tips as you adjust. The change applies to the row you're working on, and the content inside will reflow automatically. Keep an eye on text wrapping and icons so nothing feels squeezed. If your cursor keeps grabbing the table instead of the edge, try approaching the boundary from a slightly different angle or zooming in for finer control. For consistent spacing across multiple rows, repeat the same gentle drag on each row, judging by the visual balance so your table looks neat and uniform. And that's it. Open your project, click your table, hover over the top or bottom edge of a row until the cursor changes, then click and drag inward to make the row thinner. With a little practice, you'll be able to refine your table spacing quickly and confidently, giving your design a polished, professional look without any extra tools or complex settings.